Bachata choreography. So we start with the basic walk. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, going into the pretzel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have a small body wave. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the reverse ripple. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we go into the head roll. 1, 2, 3, 4 head roll. 5, 6, 7, 8 into the turn, inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 2 ripples. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, continue with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the side basic. 5, 6, 7. Here we have a head roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finishing with the body ripple. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic again. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the hip roll. 5, 6, 7, 8 into underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back bend into the body wave. Back to the basic. Let's try that with me.